The matrix window can be used to place orders for stocks, futures, forex, and options. In this tutorial, we will use a stock symbol for demonstration purposes only, but the functionality applies to all different asset classes. I will use my keyboard to type in the symbol for Microsoft, MSFT, and press the Enter key to change the symbol in the matrix. A market order is an order to buy or sell at whatever the current trading price is at the time the order reaches the trading floor. To place a market order, click the Buy Market or Short Market buttons available in the trade bar on the right side of the matrix. If you're trading futures or forex, the Short Market button will be labeled Sell Market. The labels on these buttons will also change if you have an open position. For a demonstration, let's buy 100 shares of Microsoft at the current trading price. I can select 100 from the recently used quantities, or I can use the directional arrows to increase or decrease the quantity. Let's click the Buy Market button. A confirmation window comes up providing details about the order I'm about to place, such as type of order, the route, the duration, the account number, the estimated price per share, the estimated cost for the transaction, and the estimated commission charge. Once you become familiarized with the matrix order entry functionality, you may wish to disable these confirmation windows. In this tutorial, I will disable the confirmation window by clicking the checkbox next to Don't show me this again for matrix equity orders. If you're using confirmations, the order will not be placed until you click the Yes button on this window.
Order filled.
Once the order is filled, a horizontal bar will highlight the average fill price for the position. The order status bar at the bottom will also display details about the order. Let's increase our position size by entering another market order to buy 100 shares of Microsoft at market. To do this, I check the quantity and click the Buy Market button.
Order filled.
Since confirmations are disabled, the order is automatically placed and I get an immediate fill from the market. The horizontal bar has shifted, showing an average fill price for my entire position. Let's close this position with a market order. I will click the P or Position button to automatically fill the quantity field with my actual position size. Clicking the Sell Market button will immediately place an order to sell my position at market.
Order filled.
A limit order is an order that is executed only when the specified limit price or a better price is reached. To place a limit order, click a cell under the bid size or ask size columns that corresponds to the price you would like to set as your limit price. By using the Auto Limit Stop functionality in the trade bar, the order type will automatically be set to limit if you place a buy order below the current trading price. Let's demonstrate by placing an order to buy 100 shares of Microsoft at this price. Buy and buy to cover orders are placed using the bid size column. I check the quantity and other order settings in the trade bar, and then I click the blue cell next to my desired limit price. As you hover over the cell, the order details will display under the orders column. Clicking the cell will automatically send a limit order at this price. Active orders waiting to get filled will appear under the orders column. Abbreviated letters identify the type of order it is. There are 4 abbreviations. B stands for buy or buy to cover. BS stands for buy stop or buy to cover stop. S stands for sell or sell short. And SS stands for sell stop or sell short stop. The order indicator also displays the quantity and if any shares or contracts have been partially filled. Let's place an order to sell short 100 shares of Microsoft at this price. Sell and sell short orders are placed using the Ask Size column. With order type set to Auto Limit Stop, selecting a price above the current trading price will place a sell short limit order. Selecting a price below the current trading price will place a sell short stop market order. I will click the red cell that corresponds to the price I want, and a limit order to sell short Microsoft is placed at this price. Limit orders are also used as profit targets. In this matrix, I'm long 500 shares of Microsoft. The average entry price of my position is highlighted by the blue horizontal bar. Let's place a limit order 10 cents above this entry price to capture some profit. Since I'm placing a sell order, I hover over the red cell that corresponds to my exit price. Sell 500 limit is displayed under the orders column. Clicking the cell automatically places this order. You may also use the Open P&L column on the left to place limit orders when exiting positions. In this matrix, I'm short 500 shares of Microsoft. Let's place an order to exit my position when a $50 profit is reached. I hover my mouse cursor over $50 and Cover 500 limit displays in the orders column. Clicking this amount will automatically place an order at the price that would produce a $50 profit. A stop market order is an order that is executed at whatever the current trading price is, but only after the specific stop price is reached. For example, to place a buy order at a price higher than the current trading price, a stop order is needed. The same applies if you wish to sell short at a price lower than the current trading price. Let's enter an order to buy 100 shares of Microsoft if it trades at the high of today. The high of today is marked by the green horizontal line on top. I will hover over the blue column at the price that corresponds to the high of today. Notice that a stop market order to buy 100 shares of Microsoft is displayed under the orders column. Clicking the cell automatically places this order. If Microsoft trades at this price, a market order is sent for execution. Stops are commonly used as protective exit orders in case of losses. In this matrix, I'm short 500 shares of Microsoft. The average entry price of my position is highlighted by the red horizontal bar. Let's place a stop market order 10 cents above this entry price. Since I'm placing a buy to cover order, I will click a cell under the bid size column. I hover over the blue cell that corresponds to my exit price and Cover 500 stop market is displayed under the orders column. Clicking the cell automatically places this order. You may also use the Open P&L column on the left to place stop market orders when exiting positions. In this matrix, I'm long 500 shares of Microsoft. Let's place an order to exit my position when a $50 loss is reached. I hover my mouse cursor over -$50 and notice how Sell 500 Stop Market displays in the Orders column. Clicking this amount will automatically place an order at the price that would produce a $50 loss. A stop limit order combines the features of a stop order and a limit order, where if the stop price is reached, a limit order is sent. The limit order is only executed at the specified limit price or better. To place a stop limit order in the matrix, the order type in the trade bar needs to be set to Auto Limit Stop Limit or Stop Limit. Stop limit orders in the matrix require 2 clicks, the first one to select the stop price, and the second one to select the limit price. Let's suppose that we would like to buy 500 shares of Microsoft only if it trades at the high of today. But to limit the exposure to the market, let's specify a limit price of 1 tick above the high. I click on the blue cell that corresponds to the high of the day, and this will be the stop price that will trigger the order. Notice how the orders column displays the buy stop, but there is a question mark next to limit. The order is not sent until a limit price is selected. I click the blue cell 1 tick above the high of the day and set this as my limit price. Now my order is complete, with a stop price and a limit price selected. If Microsoft trades at the high of the day, it will send a limit order to buy at the high plus 1 tick. The order can only be executed at this specific price or better. Trailing stops can be placed to enter or exit positions. As the market moves in your favor, a trailing stop will automatically adjust the stop price and remain at a specific number of points or percentage away from the current trading price. In the trade bar, you may click the Buy Trailing Stop or the Short Trailing Stop buttons to place orders. In this drop-down, the trailing amount can be set in points or percentage. Make your selection and enter the amount in the Amount field. Let's place a couple of orders to demonstrate. In this example, let's suppose Microsoft is in a downtrend. I would like to buy 100 shares of Microsoft if the price reverses and starts moving up. I will set my trailing stop amount to points and will enter 5 cents in the Amount field. Clicking the Buy Trailing Stop button places an order 5 cents above the current trading price. If the price of Microsoft continues to move lower, my trailing stop will automatically move down and stay 5 cents away. If the price of Microsoft reverses, my stop price will be triggered and a position opened. In this other example, I am short 100 shares of Cisco. I would like to limit my losses by placing a trailing stop. This time, I will select percentage for my trailing amount, and I will enter 0.5 in the Amount field. This will set my stop price at 0.5% away from the current trading price. I click Cover Trailing Stop, and this sends an order to cover my position if the price moves 0.5% in the opposite direction. On the other hand, if the market moves in my favor, the order will automatically move and continue to stay 0.5% away from the current trading price. Thank you for completing this tutorial. Remember that the TradeStation Platform Help is a resource available to you from the TradeStation Help menu should you have any questions about using the platform.